Welcome back to my channel. Nandito tayo ngayon. We have Ford Expedition. The problem is it will run but has a code para siyang mamamatay. So I have a diagnostic tool that it shows me CMP sensor circuit and on bank 2 intermittent. So it has two codes. Now we have to gonna replace it, the bank 2 sensor. Call it the CMP pressure sensor. So we're facing the engine because it's a TB engine. It's a V8. So if you're facing the engine in the front, your bank 2 will be on your right side. It is on the driver's side. So we have to pull this out, right? Pull this out so we can access on this area. Okay. So now we're gonna gonna take this away. There, then pull it out there. There. We have it a whole thing. And now that is our CMP sensor. This one, so it's easy to replace. So we have to pull this part. That is okay, it's easy. Now I just pull that apart, so it's easy. It's number 8 socket. Then change it. Okay, now I'm done putting that sensor on. So I have to check if it is gone. So we have to hook up again our diagnostic tool. Asan na ba yun? Where is it? There. It's go to Ford and then you have to check if the if it is Bank2 sensor 1. You have to self-test again. It says fuel pump secondary circuit 1237. So it's gone now for that CMP sensor. Have to clear codes. Codes clear. Exit. We will see if what will happen. Okay, so there's no more present code that we have. So that means it's good now. And I can feel that the engine is running fine. See? There. That is normal running engine. Okay, that's all guys for now. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.